In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off HoneyBook Invoice credit card payments. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, go ahead and open the invoice where you want to disable credit card payments. This is important because payment settings are managed on the individual invoice you're working with, so you'll want to make sure you've selected the correct one before making any changes. After the invoice is open, click Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the invoice details, including the payment methods your client can use. Once you're in edit mode, look for the payment settings area and open it. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a section within the invoice editor, so take a moment to locate it carefully. Inside the payment settings, find the section labeled Allow Your Clients to Pay With. This is where HoneyBook lets you control which payment options are available to your client for that specific invoice. You should see the available choices, which typically include credit card, bank account, or both. Before changing anything, it's a good idea to quickly review these options so you understand the current setup. To turn off credit card payments, select bank account. This tells HoneyBook that you only want to allow payments through a bank account for this invoice, rather than by credit card. After selecting it, verify that bank account is clearly highlighted and shows as the active option. Then confirm that credit card is no longer selected. This double check helps prevent mistakes and ensures the invoice is configured the way you intend. Once you've confirmed the correct payment option is selected, save the invoice changes. Saving is essential, because if you leave the editor without doing this, your updated payment settings may not be applied. After the changes are saved, preview the invoice. This final check lets you verify exactly what your client will see before the invoice is sent or paid. In the preview, confirm that clients can no longer pay by credit card and that the bank account option is the only available payment method. Taking this extra moment to review the invoice can help you avoid confusion later and gives you confidence that the payment setup is correct. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated the invoice so credit card payments are turned off and bank account payments remain available. Thanks for watching.